Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at one of the most budget-friendly and beginner-friendly OBD2 scanners out there, the Foxwell NT200. If you're a car owner who wants to save money on diagnostics, or just want a reliable tool to keep in your glove box, this little device might be exactly what you need. The Foxwell NT200 is a compact OBD2 diagnostic scanner. It's made for everyday drivers, not just mechanics. You plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and within seconds, it reads your car's engine status, trouble codes, and more. No batteries required. Key features: read and clear check engine light codes. Host: got a check engine light on? The NT200 tells you exactly what code triggered it, and even gives you a short description. You can also clear the codes after fixing the issue. Live data stream. Despite being small, it can show real-time sensor data such as RPM, coolant temperature, fuel trims, and more. Great for troubleshooting. Freeze frame data. This feature captures a snapshot of your engine's operating conditions at the exact moment a fault code is stored. You can see details like RPM, coolant temperature, vehicle speed, fuel trims, and more, just as they were when the problem first occurred. Supports all OBD2 protocols. The Foxwell NT200 is fully compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles, covering every major protocol, including CAN, J1850, ISO 9141, and more. That means whether you drive an American, European, or Asian car from 1996 and onward, the NT200 will connect smoothly. VIN retrieval. One of the most convenient features is automatic VIN retrieval. With a single click, the NT200 reads your vehicle's VIN, calibration ID, CID, and calibration verification number, CVN, directly from the engine control module. No batteries needed. This device is totally maintenance-free. No batteries, no charging, no hassle. It draws power directly from your car the moment you plug it into the OBD2 port. So even if it's been sitting in your glove box for months, it's always ready to scan your vehicle instantly. Easy-to-read display. The Foxwell NT200 comes with a clear, well-organized LCD display, designed specifically for beginners. The menu is simple, the text is crisp, and navigation is effortless, even if you've never used a diagnostic tool before. So who is the Foxwell NT200 for? If you're a regular car owner looking for a simple, affordable, and dependable tool to diagnose engine issues and turn off that annoying check engine light, the NT200 is a great option. Small, fast, and does exactly what it promises. Thanks for watching.